Each GoSquared project has its own unique analytics snippet. Simply head to the Setup Guide to access your code. We offer a number of installation options. In this example, I'm going to be copying and pasting my code into a section of my Squarespace website. Alternatively, if you have access to your website's HTML source code, you can paste the snippet directly between the header tags of your site. Other installation options include our iOS SDK, as well as plugins with platforms such as WordPress and Segment. All it takes to track all visitor activity across your site or platform is to add this one snippet of code into your website. Once you've embedded the snippet and saved the changes, disable any ad blocker plugins you might be running before verifying the installation. Once you've got the green light, open an incognito browser window and click through a few pages of your site. Back in GoSquared, you should now be successfully tracking your first page views in real time. Your Now dashboard will now become your HQ for all real-time activity on your site, while your Trends dashboard will collate the data over your chosen timeframes, which can be downloaded as analytics reports. Simply toggle through the options to change the timeframes, and you can also hit the arrows to download the reports into CSV files. You can also create custom campaign UTMs with our campaign URL builder. Simply enter in the information to generate your UTM. With this, you can track the success of your marketing activity at driving clicks through to your sites.